dog give me beze. Dance to the song, let me see your body keke. See your body keke. I go do like I'm blind. Anything you do.
So as usual, before we get into the video, I would like to shout out my own product. I would like you to check out my printables. I have different types of printables. I have Adinkra wall art, I have kente planners, and I also have nursery animals, and I also have a lot of African related symbols. So do check them out and let me know what you think. Let's get straight into the video. Hi Earthlings, welcome back to another video. I am talking a bit lower because my babies are sleeping and I don't want to wake them up. It's really early in the morning and I thought I should do this voiceover so that the video will be up on time. So in this video, I'm going to try out a new recipe that I found out from a fellow YouTuber, Layla, here on YouTube. This is one of her staple Ayurvedic recipe and she swears by it. So I decided to try it out on my thin fine hair. So what you're going to need for this recipe is whipped shea butter. I have a video where I show you how I got this whipped shea butter. So you're going to need 2 tablespoons of whipped shea butter. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of your favorite conditioner. I am using my Vital hair mayonnaise. And on top of that, you are going to go ahead and add your herbs. So in this video, I use amla powder, baobab powder, brahim powder, and of course hibiscus powder. So I used 1 tablespoon of each powder. I didn't want to overdo it and make it too strong. I also wanted to have I wanted to remain the moisturizing treatment of this recipe, but yet have some kind of strengthening treatment to it as well. So I went ahead and used 1 tablespoon of each herbs. So I also have the recipe in the description box below. You can go ahead and download it, which shows you exactly what I'm using, how much I'm using of it, and why I'm using it. It also have information about what the herbs do exactly to your hair, each individual herb. So go ahead and download it. The link is in the description box. So after that, I went ahead and mixed everything together. I didn't add any oils or honey whatsoever. In her recipe, she added oils and honey as well. I just wanted to go ahead and do the shea butter conditioner and the Ayurvedic herbs. So this is how it's looking like after mixing everything up. I have this really nice color to it, but the color doesn't release on your hair, so don't worry about that. She mentioned that in her video as well, and I am also mentioning it to you that the color does not release in your hair, so your hair will not end up being purple or pink or fuchsia or whatsoever, so don't worry about that. So I went ahead and put my hair in 4 sections as usual, and I went ahead and start the application. I applied it on dry hair because I wanted my hair to soak up all the nutrients of this concoction, all the nutrients of all these Ayurvedic herbs and everything. So I applied it on dry hair. My hair I was due to wash day, so this is actually going to be my pre-poo, and after this I'll go ahead and wash my hair out with shampoo and conditioning my hair and go about with my hair regimen. If you want to see my hair regimen, I have a whole video about it, and I also have it all written out in a download in the description box. I'll put a link down below so that you go ahead and download it. So my hair looked pinkish at this moment, but as soon as I washed it out, all the color of the hibiscus went out. It didn't stain my hair didn't take the color whatsoever. The application went on really nice and smooth, and all the chunks of all the bits that you see in it are chunks of shea butter, so they will melt as I apply heat to my hair. They will melt in it. I really like this deep conditioner. I understand why Layla is all about this conditioner. This deep conditioner really made my hair so soft like butter, but at the same time my hair was strong because of the Ayurvedic herbs. So the shea butter and the conditioner really went ahead and conditioned my hair and made it really nice and soft. but the herbs and everything went ahead and make my hair strong at the same time. So it's a good balance if you're looking for something to make your hair strong but at the same time also soft. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video like I did enjoy this video. This recipe is definitely going to be one of my go-to recipes. I'll definitely incorporate it into my regimen. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.